subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, we wanted a break from everything. So we found this quiet little stream hidden up in the hills. This is a calm place. Hi. The water was cold. The air was fresh. So it felt like the perfect place to camp. First we unpacked everything we brought. My little sweet lion Sudhuputta. Arrange the tent cake, set up the space and fill the air mattress, getting everything ready to peaceful night outdoors. During the day, we cooked a simple meal. Mmm, Yokohama's most delicious dish. This is for Sudhuputta. Gathered a few dry branches for a small fire later. It's really cold here. While preparing the barbecue in the evening, we're ready tonight. We played a few rounds of cards just for fun, and in the middle of it, even met a friendly dog, a little surprise visitor who made the moment even sweeter. Early the next morning, we washed our faces, made a warm cup of tea, and enjoyed the quiet start of the day while cooking the breakfast. We also packed most of our things, get ready for the trip back. After that, we cooked noodles by the steam, letting the cool morning air wake us up. Next, we played the badminton, laughing, relaxing, and enjoying the simple fun of being outdoors. One night here reminded us how beautiful life becomes when you slow down. Just nature, cold water, unexpected little moments, and quiet memories that stay in our hearts. See you in the next video. Bye.